Hello everyone, it's 30th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have US is doing a trade deal with India, says Trump. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Cyclone Montha leaves 2 dead, flattened crops in Andhra Pradesh. Then it is very important for disaster management perspective. Then we have Israel says ceasefire is back after strikes killed 104 in Gaza. Very important for international relations perspective. Then we have cloud seeding trials cancelled, citing low moisture content. Again, very important for environment perspective. Going forward, we have Kerala CM puts PM Shri scheme on hold, sets up 7-member review panel. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, Devbhoomi Uttarakhand, a destination of peace, adventure and fate. Again, very important news. Then we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says an amended constitutional bill, its contentious issues. Again, very important for constitution perspective. Then we have federalism and funds. Again, very important editorial. Then we have, according to survey of 25 countries, Indians are least aware of AI. Very important for science and tech perspective. Moving forward, we have this page dedicated to this one news. What is China's complaint against India at WTO? Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have how do cyclones form and how are they measured? Again, very important for disaster management perspective. Then we have the Indus conundrum, when water is both a lifeline and a fault line. Again, very important news. Then we have President takes sortie in Rafale fighter jet, calls it unforgettable experience. Again, a very important news. Then we have Japan's new Prime Minister calls Modi, discusses Quad, economic and security issues. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have developing nations need 12 times more funds to fight climate crisis. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have SEBI favors the simpler mutual fund rules. Again, very important news for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have US welcomes Japan's arms boost, says alliance key to deter China. Then we have Hasina warns of mass boycott as her party barred from polls. Then we have Pak warns Kabul of stern response to new attacks. Then we have Myanmar Janta says foreign media will be allowed to cover elections. Lastly, we have finalized trade deal with South Korea, says Trump. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.